Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what we are going to unbox this coming week. So this set is really very hard to find, and one of my friend Akshay, he's actually a doctor. So he actually bought this for me from Lucknow. So this was his set. He gave it to me because I told him, sometime back, that I'm just looking for this set, and he literally bought one set for himself and he gave it to me. So let me just show you. So this is the speed graphics set. So this one is the Honda Civic Type R EK9, and so I actually got the entire set from him, and he sold it to me for only MRP, not a penny more. So Range Rover Classic. So this is a number 3 Porsche 914 Safari, and one of my personal favorite, which is the Mazda RX-3. I do have the RX-3 in white color, which is actually behind this, which I bought it from Muscat. So I really loved that one so much. So last but not least, in this particular set is just the big air Bel Air. So I do have a lot of Bel Airs. At this point, it is starting to get boring. So but this one, the rims and all looked really new to me. So I'm really happy that I bought the entire set, and I'm really thankful to him as well. So once again, thank you, Akshay. And so for everyone who was watching my channel, and thanks for watching this particular video. And I will be adding some more cars, for unboxing soon. I do have a lot of premium brands. So I'm traveling, in the past couple of weeks, so I'm not able to get proper time to segregate and post videos. But moving forward, it will be proper. So I'll just try to make some time and post videos properly. But for this week, this next 5 days, these five will be unboxed, and maybe the next 1 or 2 days, I'm just planning to add some Tomicas there. I do have some Tomicas and other premium brands like CM brands and CM models. I think Star model, and there are a couple more. So I don't even remember now. I think Kyosho and all. I need to see. I will be unboxing those soon. So once I complete this Hot Wheels unboxing videos. So stay tuned, guys. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.